How to save music in the Spotify app for offline listening. Let's get started. First, launch your Spotify app. Make sure you are logged into your premium account. Offline listening is only available for premium users. Now find the song, album, playlist, or podcast you want to save. Once you have found it, look for the download icon. It's a downward facing arrow. Tap the arrow. Spotify will start downloading that content. You'll need to be connected to the internet during this step. Once downloaded, go to your library and tap Downloaded. Everything you have saved for offline use will be listed here. Even without an internet connection, like when you are in airplane mode, your saved music and podcast will still play perfectly. And that's it, you are ready to listen anywhere, no signal needed. For more Spotify tips and tricks, tap the playlist on your screen now. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.